Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. Firstly, you need to locate Recorder app. Then choose while using the app and allow in the pop-ups, and select one of those modes, standard or speech to text. When you're ready to start your recording, click on this red button. Then select allow or don't allow in notifications pop-up. Now to pause it or unpause it, click on the same middle one. In order to add a bookmark, click on this orange one. And if you wish to end it and save it, tap on the square one. Now you can name your recording however you wish to and save it by choosing save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, mine is over here. In order to play it, click on it. In order to get rid of it though, you need to go back, hold it and select delete all icon at the bottom. Over here, confirm your choice in the pop-up by choosing move to recycle bin. In order to access recycle bin, click on those two dots at the top right corner and select recycle bin. Now, in order to recover your recording, you need to hold it and select restore. You can delete it the same way. You can also go back to the main screen of your recorder and tap on those three dots at the top right corner of it. Then select settings and adjust all of them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!